Welcome to my channel. My name is Summer. This is my makeup look today. If you enjoy watching this video to see how I got this look, I'd love if you subscribe to my channel or give this video a thumbs up. And as always, all the products that I used on my face today will be listed down in the description box below. I don't know what look to do today, but my hair is cute. I did like a little half up, half down, pigtails, lay flat. My bangs are not doing what I want them to do today. Well, one of them is, the other one's not, so I'm putting them in the thing for a few minutes. And for primer, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover setting spray, and I'm gonna just spray a little bit on my hands and then just put this on my face as my primer. For foundation, I'm using this one by AOA Studios. It's like the dropper foundation. I don't know what shade I have it in because there's not any on the thing. However, it's a little bit too dark for me, a little bit too orange, so I think I might mix this with this one by Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I have this one in a shade that's a little bit too light for me, F6.5. This is what they both look like. This is the Makeup Revolution one. It's a little bit light. It matches pretty well, but it's a little bit too light. And the AOA one is just a little bit too orange. For concealer underneath my eyes, I really like this one by NYX, the Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I've been using it a few times this week, and I think it's just a really nice concealer. It doesn't feel like heavy or anything, and it blends really well. For blush, I'm using this one by Bareminerals. It's a loose blush, and the shade is called Golden Gate. It's a little bit of like a darker shade, so I'm going in very lightly with this because I don't want it to look too like much. I'm adding some bronzer. This is Physicians Formula. It's the Butter Bronzer, and it's just like called light bronzer. And I'm going to put this just on, like right under, kind of on the sides of my cheekbones, right under my blush, and also a bit on the kind of outer portions of my forehead to just like warm up the whole face, you know. So I filled in my eyebrows and I added some setting spray all over my whole face. And now I'm going to add some highlighter, and I'm just using like a fluffy highlighting brush, and I'm using this one by Wet n Wild. It's a loose highlighter. It's the Megaglo loose highlighting powder. The shade is I'm So Lit, and it's very, very glowy. I'm just putting a little bit on this brush, and I'm going to just hit the tops of my cheekbones to start with. You can see how like glowy that is. It's such a pretty highlighter. But I got one, and another hit, but I got four now. And I'm going to touch a little bit of this on the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow above my lips, on the bridge of my nose as well. Bring it up kind of between my eyebrows a little bit. A little bit above my eyebrows, just right on kind of the tops of my forehead there. And get like, you know, a nice little bit on the brush and put it on my lids, but like the whole section of the lid from my eyebrows all the way to the lid, just like this whole section right there. I'm gonna take one of my fingers, put a little bit of this on my finger, and just put it in my inner corner as a highlight here. Sometimes you can also use the like back end of the makeup brush to place your inner corner highlight if you really want to like pinpoint it right there, especially because my nail is kind of getting in the way. I'm going to take kind of a fluffy blending brush for my eyes and go into like a really bronzy shimmery shadow. This one I'm using is from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. It's called Old Money. It's a warm like bronzy shade, this one right here. And I'm just like tracing the, you know, the crease of my eye with this shade, and just like blending it up and down in my crease, dragging it onto the lid a little bit as well. Taking a little bit on the tip of this brush, putting it on the lower lash line. I'm taking in a shade that's similar to this one but darker. It's called Love and Cocoa, this one right here. And I'm going to put this one on the lower lash line as well. Okay, my camera battery died, so I switched to my other camera, which looks different. So if it looks different, that's why. I added some mascara, and now I'm going to go in with some black liner, and I'm going to tight line. This is by Wonder Wand. It's a gel kohl liner. For my lips, I wanted to mix a little bit like a warm brown color, maybe a touch of red. This lip liner is by Beauty Volt. The shade is Beau Babe, and it's kind of like a rust red color. So I've outlined my lips with this liner. So now I'm going back to the eyeshadow palette I used earlier, and I'm going to pat on the shade Old Money and Love and Cocoa, the two shades that I used. Just kind of pat down on my lips to tie into the eyes, the color wise. A little bit weird looking now, so I'm gonna go over top of it with a gloss. This is by Becca Cosmetics. It's the Glow Gloss. The shade is called Ruby Fire. It's just like a dark red with some sparkle in it. So I blended the eyeshadow and the lip gloss together, and this is what it ended up looking like. This is the completed look. I need to like fix my hair real quick. Okay, so I tried to like fix my hair. It's really not working with me today. Just this one bang. This other one is perfect, exactly how I want it to be. I really think this look could benefit from a little bit of gold jewelry. I'm gonna add these little gold hoops that I have. And here's the completed look. And I'm gonna show you my outfit really quickly. It's just this like cute little dress with like some little flower and leaf designs on it. And just these like high-heeled boots right here. Monster break. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more videos from me, I'd love if you subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday and Thursday. And I really hope that you come back to my channel to see more of my content. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.